Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'd like to tell you guys about Bybit Earn. Alright, so Bybit have this finance tool called Earn where you can deposit your USD. Alright, it's very much like the FD where you can get a fixed deposit rate, but in Bybit, right, Bybit have this Earn as well, where it's also similar to fixed deposits, but it is stable. Alright, it's stable and it's flexible, and then and so I'll explain to you right here in the video. So how you have to press into the Bybit Earn is you go to the finance here and press Earn. Right, you'll come up with this. So we have USDT, BTC, ETH, all this so on, right? But I advise you guys to use USDT because it has a highest rate one and it is stable, right? USDT, right, is stable, it won't change in value, right? The coin itself won't change value, but we can have a lot of fixed deposit rate. So let's, for example, right, this 7%, right, it's flexible, right? It's calculated in per day, right? So 7% is per annum return rate, which is exactly same as your FD, but it is flexible, meaning you can put in 1 day and you take out. So what's the 1 day rate? So basically you use 7.54 divided by 365, right? That's the rate that you earn. So USDT flexible is very, very useful, right? For example, where I press buy now, right? I stake now with this amount, and it shows you, right, it's below 500k 500 USDT at 7.54%, right? So that's why we can use this. If we didn't use a USDT, you have 500 inside your account, you can use this, right? And then it's flexible. You can always take out, right? So I want to stake now, for example, and then I agree terms and condition, right? Okay, I don't have the funding, right? Funding account right now I don't have, but if you were to press stake now, you get the 7.54%, right? Daily. Not daily, I mean annual, but you get daily divided by 365. So you can take out anytime you want. Okay, so this is a very good finance earn. So if you are holding Bitcoin, right? If you're holding Bitcoin, you can do that as well. You're holding a lot of Bitcoin, right? Just put your Bitcoin right here, also can. If you are not planning to cash out anytime soon, or you can stake now also, right? Okay, I have no Bitcoin, so I can't stake anything, but it's the same, right? Obviously, it's at a limit as well. With 0.01 BTC, you get 2.5%, right? So it depends on you, all right, whether you want to stake your BTC or not. So yeah, you can use this as a fixed deposit rate and see what you got here, all right? You can use Ethereum, BTC, or USDT, but I advise you guys to use USDT because it's stable, right? It won't change the value. Okay, if you have a lot of money, you know where to put, just put 500 USDT here, you get 7.54%, right? Even the fixed deposit out there is not that high, it's only 4%, right? So, and then it's flexible. That one thing is flexible, you can always take it out anytime you want, all right? So, yeah, this is a very short video, and I'm just here to talk about, Bybit Earn. All right, see you in the next one. Peace.